Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V20 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how we can take a slow motion video on our phone Vivo V20. First of all, our phone, open camera and here select more button. Click on SLO option. Now start recording your video. I record this video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. Now I stop the video and play the video that I took. See the action now. Video is playing in slow motion. In this way, you can easily take slow motion video on your phone Vivo V20. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.